Do you want to go outside?
Yep, right now.
So what happened last night?
Snowed.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Billy, you don't want to go out there.
Ooh, it's
Snowing! Happy Christmas, everybody!
Happy Christmas, everybody.
Hi! Ah! Run!
Hurry, garbage truck, garbage truck. It's your lucky day.
Okay, go warm your feet by the fire, Catherine.
Johnny, garbage truck.
Yeah, snow day and garbage day.
He's officially been knighted.
Hi.
All our kids have worn the same outfit. Cutie, haven't you?
I got it.
Started with Catherine. And now Julian's wearing it. So we have a winter wonderland outside right now. And you think it's this beautiful snow, but you hear that noise? Oh my gosh, the sidewalk broke. It is complete, like ice, would you say?
Yeah, it's like ice.
Look at that. Oh, we got Scott's phone. Look at this. Insane.
Yeah, that's sleek. There have been so many accidents tonight.
I sure hope not. It's really pretty though. What you hear falling right now is ice. Best to be going inside before I get iced out. Ah! These are completely frozen. Oh wow, look at that. Ice, ice, baby. Another one. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Crazy. Come here. I got you a flower.
Going for the mouth.
Ah, it's cold. It's so cold.
Oh, it's cool.
Gets to the shape.
It's the shape of a flower.
Well, it's leaves. But there you go, Billy. I'm working on a puzzle right now. I got everything organized. And I'm too tired to finish it, but I know I need to just work on it or do something with it. And we got Johnny over here. He's staying with us. He has to drive up tomorrow in this crazy rainstorm.
It's gonna be nuts.
To go visit Kevin. But I think it'll be fun once you get there.
Yeah.
It's just getting there.
Just getting there. Yeah, like freezing rain, I think, right? Like,
Yeah. It's insane. Johnny is going up to Olympia. To go see Kevin.
Yeah? No, it should be fun. Should be good.
Yeah, you should have a fun time. Playing Smash Bros. And you got Baglet in his little nook. Billy, are you cleaning our floor? She always goes around and finds all the leftover food and eats it. Yeah, you hungry? You gonna go to your house? Okay, go night-night. She's a good little bun. So we woke up this morning to a big surprise outside. Catherine, come here. Oh, hi, Billy. What are you doing outside? Are you playing in the snow? You're like, I'm out of here. How are you?
Good. It snowed last night.
Yeah.
A whole bunch.
Ah! Catherine! Hey! You coming inside, Billy? It's pretty cold outside for you. Good morning. Oh my gosh, I look horrid. Happy Saturday, everyone. We are burning boxes. Scott has decided to set the world on fire.
This world is on fire.
Honestly, it's probably the best time to have a fire.
I know, right?
Because the snow came on top of the...
Go, Daddy.
Billy! Here, Scott. Will you film Billy?
You got the Billie Eilish tracks. Careful, Oliver. It's cold. Go get your boots on. Go get your boots on.
So it has been kind of a crazy morning this morning. So last night when I was in the garage pulling in the garbage cans, we saw a mouse. So I've been working in here and getting rid of all the toys out of the garage because I don't want my kids to be playing in the garage where there's mice. Yeah, that's very gross. I'm pretty sure they've been in there for a while, but just the idea of seeing them there just kind of freaks me out. There's Johnny. He's getting ready to leave. He's gonna go up to Olympia and he's gonna try to get a good window to go when it's not raining or snowing or icing or doing all that jazz. Yeah.
We have a lot of boxes, so I get to burn it all. I love burning. We grew up burning every day, every day, every day, every week. Oh, that's getting really close. So we'd burn all of our cardboard. Doing it right there in that corner because that's where the that's where the garden is. So all the ashes will just get mixed in with the dirt. El fuego? El fuego? Is it cold? Do it again. Do it again. Oh, you found a stick. Oh, our garden is on fire now. Hey Rachel, can you take
He's
it?
always sad when people leave. There he goes.
Go,
He's off
go.
to Olympia.
Bye, Johnny.
What did you build?
A snowman.
Look how adorable this snowman is. Little arms. Rude. Gosh. Aw. He is attacking me.
Say hello. Hi, my name's Catherine Watson. I'm so happy to be in the snow. So hi, everybody. I'm so no flowers. Hi. So happy. Wait, ow.
We told Oliver to get his clothes on to go outside. So he has his hat and his shoes and he is ready to go. Let's go. Let's go outside, Oliver. Okay, go play.
you see this low?
Oliver, are you cold?
Yeah. Good job.
Good job, Oliver. Are you cold? Come back inside. Hurry, hurry, come on. You're cold, your foot's... Oh no. Come on inside, buddy, come on. Good job, you made it.